Hey there, my name is Michelle Caruana, and I am an online course creator and membership site owner. And I've decided to partner with Stu McLaren and his TME, or the Membership Experience program, again this year. Now, if you're familiar with Stu and his content, but TME or the Membership Experience doesn't really ring a bell, that's because his program was formerly called Tribe. But this year, he has completely recreated and re-recorded the entire experience, and along with that comes a brand new name. So I am so excited to be a partner of Stu's again this year. And I created my affiliate bonus package with so much intention and based on a lot of the feedback that I got from the people who went through my affiliate program last year. So I'm entering this TME experience with so much more insight and so much more experience, and I am so excited to share that with you if you decide to go through my affiliate link and sign up for Stu McLaren's TME program. Now, I'm going to go through all the nitty gritty, and I'm going to share every single additional bonus that you get when you sign up for TME through my affiliate link. But before I do that, I wanted to quickly explain what an affiliate is, because a lot of people don't really understand the concept of partnering with somebody like Stu in his program. So essentially, when you sign up through my affiliate link for TME, you get a slew of additional bonuses. Now, because I'm a smaller affiliate and I lead a small group through the program, last year I think my group was around 25 to 28 people, all of whom I'm still in touch with, and I've just taken so much joy in seeing all of the success that I had even a small role in helping them achieve. I cannot wait to relive that whole entire experience again this year. But I lead a small group through the program. And because I am a smaller affiliate, I mean, you'll see some really big names promoting TME this year, but because I lead a small group through the program, I'm able to provide a level of support and hands-on help and high-touch support that a lot of the bigger affiliates just can't offer because of the sheer size of the group that they lead through the program. So I offer one-on-one calls, I offer small group co-working sessions, and I really designed my entire program and all of the bonuses that you get when you sign up through my affiliate link to help with implementation. Because again, this is my third year going through Stu's program, and I've noticed that I think over the years, tens of thousands of people have gone through the program, yet only a fraction of those people actually have successful membership sites. And something that I've noticed, a commonality among the people who have reached that level of success that they desire, is that they focus on implementation. They don't get stuck. They move ahead with everything that Stu teaches. So I designed my entire affiliate bonus experience to help with just that, implementation. So again, I'm going to go through all of the details and all of the swipe files, all of the templates, all of the time-saving tools and resources, and co-working sessions and small group and one-on-one support that you get when you sign up through my affiliate bonus package in just a second. But just know this is no additional cost to you. So when you sign up with Stu McLaren's, when you sign up for Stu's TME experience through my affiliate link, you get all of the additional bonuses that I'm going to share with you in just a moment. Plus, you get all of Stu's bonuses. So not only is it no additional cost to you to sign up for a program like Stu's through an affiliate, but you don't miss out on any of Stu's bonuses. So there really is no downside, and it really is a no-brainer. And I cannot wait to help lead a small group through Stu's program again this year. If you have never been a part of one of Stu's workshops or masterclasses or courses, it is really unlike anything I have ever seen. And again, I can't wait to work with you in a small group setting to help you get things done and actually reach success with your membership site as a part of Stu's program. All right, let's get into my affiliate bonus package. But first, I want to invite you to jump on a call with me if you have any questions whatsoever about Stu McLaren's TME program, about what it includes, about my affiliate bonus package, and honestly, if you're just wondering if it's a good fit for you right now in your business, because it might not be. So you can click this button, hop on a call with me. We'll spend 15 or 20 minutes on Zoom. No pressure, no obligation. Hopefully that will give you a lot more clarity if that's something that you're missing at this stage. So essentially, my affiliate bonus package is going to help you accelerate your success with Stu McLaren's TME program in 3 different ways. And I have a little hot tip here. And this is my third year now going through Tribe. So I have helped a lot of people go through the program, and I say Tribe, it's now called TME. I'm still kind of training myself to remember the new name, but this is my third year going through the program. And there's a clear difference between people who find a lot of success through the program and who doesn't. And the big key and the thing that's common among all of the people who do reach that quick level of success is implementation. So because Stu provides all of the information and all of the training that you need to be successful with your membership site, I try not to give you any more information because it's really superfluous and it's really extra. So what I try to do is I focus my affiliate bonus package on implementation help, on that one-on-one support and small group coaching that you just can't get in a program as big as Stu McLaren. So it's essentially taking everything that Stu gives you and we're going to implement it together in a small group. And I'm going to help you go through it one-on-one. So the first part of my bonus experience is access to the resource vault and template. So like I said, I've now helped over 50 people go through their TME program or through launching their own membership site. And a lot of my clients have been so generous and have allowed me to share their email templates, their sales page templates, their swipe files, all of that good stuff. So the resource vault is really aimed at putting all of Stu's practices into place in your business as quickly as possible. Because if you've ever launched something before, you'll know that copywriting and all of those elements can take a long time. And that's where a lot of people get stuck. So again, the resource vault is to really help you implement a lot more quickly. Next, I have group calls and implementation sessions. So this is something new that I'm adding based on the feedback from last year is people wanted to hop on Zoom and get everything figured out together. So the dates are still to be determined based on what Stu releases in terms of the course dates, but we're going to hop on and do a co-working session 2 separate times on Zoom. So in the first 2-hour session, we're all going to iron out our membership offers, and you're going to walk away from that co-working session with so much clarity and your exact membership offer, your monthly deliverables, your content plan completely figured out using Stu's strategies that you're going to learn in TME. And then the second co-working session, we're going to plan your entire launch strategy and your entire marketing and promotion calendar, regardless of whether or not you want to do live launches or whether you want to put your membership on Evergreen. You are going to walk away with all of your important dates planned out, all of your promotion strategies planned out. Again, this is putting all of Stu's strategies to work because, again, this is another place I noticed last year, a lot of people getting stuck in the marketing and promotion section of the program. And then finally, anybody that signs up for my affiliate bonus package before Monday, so that's April 25th at midnight, I'm going to offer additional one-on-one support. So after TME wraps up and you already go through the co-working sessions and all of that good stuff, you can schedule a 1-hour one-on-one call with me to really make sure that you feel supported, to make sure that you have complete confidence moving forward in your membership strategy, and not just in your membership offer, but like I said, also in your marketing and your promotion strategy. So you're free to use that hour however you like, whether that's to ask me questions, whether that's to have me go through your sales page or your email strategy, anything like that. I want to work one-on-one with you to make sure that you reach your desired level of success because that's going to look a little bit different for everyone. So again, in 3 different ways, I'm going to help you accelerate your success with TME, my resource vault, my group calls and implementation sessions, and one-on-one support. And this is honestly the benefit of signing up with one of the smaller affiliates. You'll see some really big names promoting Tribe, and they'll have thousands of people sign up with their affiliate bonus package. But because I walk through such a small group through the program, I'm able to offer this really intense, this really high touch level of support that those bigger affiliates just can't offer. And I found that the people that go through the program in these smaller groups, again, reach that desired level of success a lot faster because they are able to feel a lot more supported. It is very easy to get lost in a group that has 100, 500, 1,000 people in it. So I highly recommend choosing your affiliate bonus package, whether that's mine or somebody else's, based on what you need to go through the program. And for a lot of people, it's extra coaching and extra one-on-one support. So be really careful when you choose your affiliate bonus package and make sure that it matches up with your needs. So again, here's some more details, just going through what every single section of my affiliate bonus package includes. Again, if you have any questions whatsoever, there are plenty of places to book a call with me on this page. And I also have my free series on my podcast on membership sites. I have some bonuses if you want to take a look, all about Google ads. If you guys know me from my Facebook ad and Google ad training, that is one of my shining moments, I guess. Facebook ads and Google ads are really where I provide extra value above and beyond what Stu McLaren teaches in his program. He dabbles on Facebook ads a tiny bit, but in my affiliate bonus package, you get my full Facebook ads course and my bonus Google ads training, because that's just not something that he's able to cover because his program is so extensive in other areas. So here I have my YouTube video where I interviewed Stu. I have my TME story, again, from way back in 2020. And I interviewed a lot of other people who have gone through TME. I have Juliana, who is the owner of Stories of Play membership. She was a preschool teacher and a stay-at-home mom, and now she's a play coach, and she literally teaches people in her membership how to play with their kids and how to help them reach developmental milestones and all of that good stuff through play. I also have Jerry's story. I have Catherine's story. She is a subscription box owner. So if you have a product-based business or something like that you're looking to turn into a subscription, I highly recommend checking out these stories. And then I have some stories of people who have either gone through TME with me or who have gone through my other courses and programs. So you can get a little bit of a taste of what it's like to look with me from people, to work with me from people who have been there, done that. And again, you can join the wait list when doors open on Sunday night. And one thing that I wanted to mention is that all of these bonuses, all of my one-on-one support and small group coaching are of no cost to you. All you have to do is sign up for Stu McLaren's TME through my affiliate link. I get a small commission. Well, I get a commission. I won't say small commission because Stu is very generous with his commissions, but let's just say that I am very motivated to help you go through the TME experience. So I get a commission when you sign up through my link, and you get all of my bonuses at zero cost to you. And the great thing about Stu McLaren's bonuses are that he gives anybody that signs up through the program, whether you sign up through an affiliate or not, you still get Stu's bonuses. So by using my affiliate link, by joining my TME affiliator experience, you're not missing out on anything from Stu. You're just getting this additional small group and one-on-one support, plus all of my resources and swipe files and templates at no additional cost. So again, if you have any questions whatsoever, book a call with me. I am here to help. And you can also join the waitlist so that you can be one of the first to be notified when doors open on Sunday. So thanks for watching. I can't wait to welcome you into my TME Accelerator experience.